Hello friends, you are watching Amit Digital. Today I will tell you how to install .NET Framework. There are a lot of software which require .NET Framework. That's why we need it. But sometimes .NET Framework installation do not succeed. But after watching this video, you will definitely get your solution. First of all, go to Microsoft website for .NET Framework. Website link also mentioned in the description box. I will try to install .NET Framework 4.6. Let's check it will install or not. It will take some time. Installation did not succeed. Installation did not succeed. Don't worry, we have one more solution for it. The setup has failed. We will try another option for it. Now there is an option for an offline installer. Then we will install it from there. Click on runtime. After complete the download process, you can install it in your computer. After install, you can check it in your programs. You will definitely get .NET Framework. Thank you.